All right, hello everyone. I just figured I would do a video on how to clean a K&N air filter without having to use the K&N cleaning product. So what I use, let me flip this around and show you. So you can use Castrol Super Clean, you can use Purple Power, you can use Simple Green. I like the Super Clean, it just cuts the grease a little bit better. And I like to put it in the better bottle there because the spray nozzle works better. So what you want to do is you just want to get your Super Clean and just go ahead. I'll do this one here. Just go ahead and start spraying it down. And once you spray it down, and you can use this on any K&N filter, but once you spray it down, let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll come back and we'll clean it off with some warm water. All right, so once you get let it sit for the 10 minutes or however long you want to let it sit, I actually always come in from the inside and get the majority of all of the Super Clean and all the dust and dirt and grime out. We'll spray it from the inside, get most of that out of there, and then after you do that, then you can come on the outside and spray it out. And when you think you got most of it out, keep spraying for another 3 minutes or so, just to make sure you get all of it out of there. Okay, so now that we got the filters all nice and rinsed out, if you want to speed up the drying process, you can take a shop vac and just go ahead and shop vac it out to dry it out a little bit better, and then let it air dry the rest of the way. Okay, so now the filter is nice and dry, and as you can see, it looks really clean. That Super Clean does a good job. So now we're going to apply a nice even coat of the oil on there, and we will use the K&N filter oil because it has the right consistency. We don't want to put too much oil on there. Just a nice even coat. All right. That looks pretty good. So hopefully that video helps you guys out, and I hope you have a good rest of the day.